this video, we're going to show you how to install the DIY sun filter on a Galileoscope. First, get your solar filter and fold the petals up inside so that the printing is on the inside of the cone that's created. Insert the device into the Galileoscope and use your finger to make sure it's pushed down as far as it will go, being careful not to touch the solar filter. Now, using tape at least one of the petals to the side of the dew shield to ensure it does not come out. That's all there is to it. You've now installed the DIY sun filter. Now we're going to show you how to install the DIY sunshade. You go to the other end of the scope and remove the eyepiece, and you remove the small main tube clamp, and then you get the sunshade, and we have it right here, and you just simply slide it on with the white side facing the sun side of the telescope. Be careful to not push the cardboard on too far and make the hole bigger. Now reinstall the small main tube clamp ring and install the eyepiece. That's all there is to it. You've now got your Galileoscope ready to observe the sun. And now we're going to show you how to aim the telescope at the sun for safe solar viewing. So here's how you aim your Galileoscope with the sunshade and the DIY sun filter at the sun. First, we're going to make sure the DIY sun filter is in front of the objective lens, and it is there. We've taped it down so it won't come out. We have mounted the Galileoscope on a standard tripod, and now we're looking at the shadow cast by a V-notch up here in this post. We're simply going to move the telescope. See the V-notch and see the post? We're simply going to move the telescope on the tripod until that V-notch gets lined up, and now we can look through the telescope and the sun's going to be in the field of view. That's as simple as it gets. Now I want to give you caution. This is supposed to be done with adult supervision, never kids by themselves, and the filter is never supposed to be put in the eyepiece of a telescope or binoculars and try and look at the sun magnified with it on the eyeball side of the telescope or binocular. These filters always go on the objective, the sun side, the non-magnified side of the telescope. That's how simple it is. Have a great time watching the eclipse.